Hey y'all, it is April 22nd, 2012, Veda Day 22. I am now down at Main Beach, at Laguna Beach, and I don't know if I'll be able to catch it or not, but there are dolphins swimming pretty close to the shores of Main Beach, and it's really pretty. I'm not a beach person very much, but I really do enjoy sitting by the beach and looking at the water because I think it's beautiful. Maybe that's what I get for living in Arizona, but I do love the beach. So I've just been doing a lot of shopping today, and I just got out of my favorite store here in Laguna called Bubbles. And I think I'm gonna go get some lunch now, and I don't know what else. So here's a little view of Laguna Beach, Main Beach. I hope you can hear me because I just wanted to show you a little bit of the ocean. So I will probably see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Toodles!